Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
I am Navya Puri and I am Myra Negi from class 9th, Delhi Public School, Greater Noida.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to immerse and surprise you in a world full of forces. The Maut Ka Kuan, or Wall of Death, is a thrilling attraction that showcases the power of the centripetal and the centrifugal force. It consists of a cylindrical structure with vertical walls on which the riders move, defying gravity.
The Wall of Death provides a thrilling spectacle for the spectators, offering a unique and adrenaline-pumping experience. Myra, but do you know what actually makes the Wall of Death so fascinating?
Yes, I do. There are two main forces working behind the Wall of Death, the centripetal and the centrifugal force.
Myra, would you mind explaining the centripetal force?
The centripetal force is an inward force that keeps objects moving in a circular path. In the context of the Wall of Death, it is responsible for keeping riders on the wall as they move in the circular path. Navya, would you care to explain the centrifugal force?
Why not? The centrifugal force. The centrifugal force is the force acting on an object moving in a circular motion. It is the force that pushes away the rider away from the center and helps them stick to the vertical wall.
Some examples of centripetal force are the tension in a string as a yo-yo moves in a circular motion, and the gravitational force that keeps planets moving in their elliptical orbit.
And some forces of the centrifugal force can be the throwing of the disc and or the hammer. But do you know how they do that? When the athlete starts to spin as fast as he or she can, the more the fast they move, the more the centrifugal force is created, due to which the farther the hammer or the disc flies. Myra, do you know what time it is?
Yes, it is time to finally explain the science behind the Wall of Death.
Should we start?
Yes, we should.
From a scientific perspective, the stunts that are performed in the Wall of Death, the riders are able to perform these stunts due to the principles of centripetal force, friction force, and defying gravity. When the rider enters the well, let's say from the arrow here, he starts to accelerate his vehicle and starts to move upwards and upwards and upwards, and then starts to move in a circular motion. He then maintains this constant circular motion. Myra, do you know how the rider can move in this circular constant motion?
Is it due to the centripetal force?
Yes, you are right. The centripetal force that pulls the rider to the center of the well and helps them stick to the vertical wall.
This is very interesting. But did you know, at the same time, riders' tires create a frictional force against the rough surface of the wall. This frictional force acts in the upward direction, counteracting the gravitational force which is acting in the downwards direction, thus preventing the rider from falling off. The higher the speed of the rider, the more centripetal force is created. Thus, higher frictional force is required to prevent them from falling. This is the reason most of the time, the walls of the Maut Ka Kuan are kept dry and oil-free, so that the friction created isn't dampened.
Wow, that is really informative. But do you know one of the main components of the Wall of Death is?
What is that?
When the rider performs stunts like these, it takes a lot of skill, practice, and perfection. The rider must maintain a balance between the centripetal force, centrifugal force, friction force, and defying gravity. And he simultaneously must maintain the speed and the direction of his vehicle to not fall down and injure himself.
This, I'm sure you guys have got everything about the scientific background of the Maut Ka Kuan. In summary, the Maut Ka Kuan is a beautiful physics miracle which involves the concepts of centripetal force and frictional force, which allows the riders to defy gravity and perform thrilling stunts in the cylindrical structure.
I think you must all have enjoyed this very much. I'm sure we did.
We did.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.